Welcome to episode 4 of our roadshow from Thika to Githurai 45. Githurai falls under Ruiru constituency in the Githurai sub-county of Kiambu County. Want to know where the name Githurai came from? It is said that it might have gotten its name from the Gikuyu language referring to big buttocks. This stems from the word Ithurai, meaning two round fleshy parts of the human body that form the bottom. On this roadshow, our main location for our activation was Githurai 45.
Drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', a GDMing, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed.
In our previous episode, we have shown you the Thika activation. If you did not get the chance to watch it, the time is now. If you are a true Kenyan, what comes to mind when you hear of Githurai? Most of us call it Githu. That I leave to the comment section. Kindly comment on what comes to mind when you hear or think about Githurai. Let me tell you, we terrorized this hood, not with grenades, but with Uwezo maize flour. Joy wa Macharia was doing her thing as we issued flour to the Githurai people. This was fun. was a whole show at Githurai 45 until we took the show back to Thika where we finished our activation. We had a whole day marketing, and at the end of it all, it was a success. As roadshow masters, we came through with our truck inclusive of the DJ, the generator and the sound system, not forgetting the truck driver. We have two models of engagement, which is equipment hire and agency management. In agency management, we do the whole activation for you. Your task will just to show up for the activation. In equipment hire, just like our client did, they hired our truck and did everything by themselves, including the entertainers and the MC.
Soka no tuko tanarengoro
hope you enjoyed this episode and thank you for staying with us up to the end of our video. See you next time. Remember, we are the Roadshow Masters, the #1 sound supply company. See you and goodbye.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it